wondered what it takes to harvest a 100-ton Titan in this channel? We dive into the most powerful forestry machines on Earth. Witness 30-ton monsters dance through dense forests. Experience the thrill of this modern longing. Technology have your front row seat to mechanical mastery. Modern chain saw the Bal Charret BS860. Harvester and Vermeer TG5000 are cutting-edge machines that are revolutionizing the forestry industry. Priced at around $10,300, the BS860 stands out for its versatile processing system, which can process up to 30 logs at a time, making woodworking from complex to fast and efficient. Equipped with a powerful hydraulic system and a precision cutting blade, the BS860 easily cuts flat pieces of wood, making it the ideal tool for modern woodworking. Wood chipper, the brute force 24-30, also known as the Dennis Kimoff DA100C, is a powerful mechanical beast that represents the pinnacle of forestry technology. It is not just a wood chipper, it is a real storm in the forestry world, ready to flatten dense bushes, cut down stubborn, dry branches with incredible speed and power. When operating, the brute force 24-30 overwhelms viewers with its sound and ferocity, reminiscent of the early days of logging technology when everything was primitive but fierce. Now that power is combined with great advances, turning the machine into a symbol of an entire industry. More than just a tool, the brute force 24-30 feels like a giant mechanical hand, sweeping away the jungle to leave behind pristine clearings. For those passionate about the development of the forestry industry, this is not just a device, but a symbol of an inspiring journey of discovery and mastery of nature. The brute force 24-30 truly makes woodworking easy and efficient, turning every challenge into a worthwhile experience. Teamwork makes dreams come true, and skidders work together to get the trucks over the slopes safely and efficiently. Great work those long roads can be a reality. Challenges are often more difficult to remove than the tree itself. Without the right tree stump, removal equipment can be a back-breaking ordeal. But with the JCB3CX, its powerful backhoe, hydraulics, and deep digging make quick work even the most stubborn stumps. Ideal solution for clearing and visual preparation for Wow, I guess the cameraman's quote is, "Immortality is always true." This guy is totally unhurt, or maybe he just needs a change of pants. Yes, this really impressed us, but if the skidder owner saw this, the driver might have a new job. The Robber Beast 4.680 redefines bulk wood waste. Handling its 60-inch cutter is driven by a mill by a Caterpillar. C27 engine in operation, 1.50 horsepower. Combined with the mill extension ensures efficient material flow and minimizes vibration, works quickly with whole trees and large stumps. Whether you are clearing land or processing wood waste, this machine will get the job done. The man who swapped his chainsaw and camera for a lesson in safety, a visit to Holtz, Ricker, Anton Lowe, and his ardent draft horses, revealed the art of logging with these powers. Animals, 4 experts, 2 SK horse handlers, stunning horses, and a talented cameraman who captured the essence of this traditional practice. The dedication and desire of the horses, the work is truly in motion. Thank you for joining us on this epic event forestry adventure. If you enjoyed seeing these powerful machines in action, like and subscribe for more. We'll be back with more thrills content. See you next time.